So I'll talk a bit louder, but a bit more people staring. We are currently in Lisbon. We've just got off the boat, and we're just about to go on a trip. We're going with the whole family, so I might not be able to film like all of it because I don't want to get some of my family members in the shot. Very windy and very cold, which is why I'm wearing my big pullover, which is very different to my leather jacket that you see me wear in every single clip of me going out. But I've got the gorgeous boat behind us, and I'll try and get some clips of the tram and the coach ride. See you soon, bye! Just getting off the tram now. It's beautiful, isn't it? We're still in Lisbon. We are just walking around at this public space. You've got, don't know if you can, Dad, there's a monument just behind there. And then if you look there, we've got a fort as well. We're just trying to walk round to the, you're really annoying me now. We're just trying to walk round to the monument over there. Went on the tram. It's amazing how narrow some of the streets are. It's incredible. So we're now visiting a church and a monastery. Lisbon had quite a nasty earthquake, magnitude, did you say 9? So the church is the only original 16th century building, but it's just a glorious, very grand building. I'd say more grand than the Houses of Parliament. I will just show you a clip of the church and monastery now. There's a real contrast between the architecture and the urban art. There's a lot of graffiti around here. We're just going to try and get a nice picture of the fountain now. Over. It's time for bed. We've just seen the show. Got my glamorous cameraman. Turn the camera around so I can see you. No, as in you turn the phone around. So we've just seen the show, but we've seen it twice. We have had a drink, so I think we're both quite...
That was my... I've just had a rum cocktail face.
has been your favourite highlight of the cruise?
My favourite highlight of the cruise so far is the Caribbean rum cocktail I just had.
So none of the trips, none of the places, the actual ship.
No,
nah.
it's just the fact that I don't drink and now I do.
We have alcohol.
We have alcohol.
It's a bit of a secret alcoholic drink. We drank it very quickly, and I think mine had vodka. So yeah.
Shh.
Anyway,
Don't tell anyone.
no, don't tell anyone. Good night. Yeah, I'm wearing a Ted Baker dress with my Louis Vuittons. The ship's rocking, we're not walking. Funny, by the way. Happy New Year, everyone! Good morning. It's 3:20 in the morning. I'm making my way back to the cabin. I didn't film much. My phone's run out of battery. Oh, I'm out of breath. I got to hang out with all the dancers, which was very nice. Apart from that, Happy New Year, everyone. I hope 2017 is good. This is probably going to be the end of my vlog, so just want to say thank you so much for watching if you got this far. I only have one drink. Happy New Year. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the near future. Bye!